Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 10. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the reaction of magnesium with another acid, that is dilute H2SO4. Now, magnesium metal when reacts with H2SO4, any metal when reacts with H2SO4, the hydrogen part of that H2SO4 molecule is used to make the hydrogen gas as a product, and the remaining anionic product, that is the sulfate portion, SO4 2- portion, is used up for the preparation of the corresponding salt of the magnesium. Now, magnesium in the ionic form, it creates Mg2 plus SO4 2- is my anionic radical. Now, by interchanging their numerical values of charge, you will find Mg2SO4 whole 2, that is MgSO4. So this is the salt of magnesium, the sulfate salt of magnesium, that is going to form after the reaction of magnesium metal in its solid form with dilute H2SO4. The salt is MgSO4 and the salt will form in aqueous medium and hydrogen gas will liberate. When magnesium reacts with dilute H2SO4, produces magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas liberates. This is the chemical reaction that happens when magnesium, instead of dilute HCl, reacts with dilute H2SO4, produces sulfate salt of magnesium, that is magnesium sulfate MgSO4 in the aqueous medium, in the reaction medium, and hydrogen gas along with the magnesium sulfate liberates. In laboratory, hydrogen gas is prepared with zinc granules is made to react with dilute H2SO4. This is the reaction of zinc with the dilute H2SO4 is known as the laboratory method of preparation for hydrogen gas. So what happens is that zinc granules, that is zinc solid metal in solid form, reacts with H2SO4 in dilute condition and produces zinc 2 plus SO4 2- by interchanging ZnSO4, the sulfate of salt of zinc, that is ZnSO4, and in aqueous medium, and H2 gas liberates. zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas are produced when zinc granules is made to react with dilute H2SO4 in laboratory. This is the laboratory preparation of hydrogen gas. This is the laboratory preparation of hydrogen gas. The same reaction can also be observed when zinc is reacting with dilute HCl instead of the dilute H2SO4. Only the salt of the zinc will be changed depending on the HCl that we had taken. So when zinc metal in solid state react with HCl, which we had taken in dilute condition, so hydrogen gas will be formed, which is formed from the hydrogen counterpart in the HCl acid. The chloride counterpart is going to form Zn2 plus and Cl minus by combining with Zn2 plus and form the salt, which will be ZnCl2. So the salt that will be formed is ZnCl2. This is in aqueous medium. So this is the salt will form and hydrogen gas is prepared. This is also another way of laboratory preparation for hydrogen gas using zinc granules instead of the chunk of zinc metal. Even not the granules, if the zinc dust is used, the reaction rate, the amount of hydrogen gas, the reaction rate will be higher, because the entire reaction, this reaction of zinc or metal with dilute acid happens when the metal surface, when acid reacts with metal surface and form its salt. Then thus this entire reaction happens. Acid reacts the metal on the metal surface. Now, instead of a chunk of metal, if you take smaller size bulk of metal, in that case, more amount of surface area is provided for acid to react with the metal. Instead of a chunk, if you take granules, then more surface area is provided. Instead of a granules, if you take fine powders of zinc, the zinc dust, in that case more amount of surface area is available for acid to react with zinc. That's why this entire reaction of zinc with dilute acid, the rate of this increases if you increase the surface area of the zinc metal. That is, if you take zinc granules instead of chunk of zinc, the reaction will be faster. Even if you take zinc dust instead of zinc granules, then the reaction will be much faster. That's why in laboratory, if you goes into laboratory and see the reaction, it is a very easy reaction to do. You will see that zinc granules or zinc dust is used in the laboratory instead of the chunk of the zinc. when zinc dust, which provide higher surface area for the reaction of the dilute acid, reacts with dilute HCl, gives ZnCl to zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is formed.